Hey there, welcome back guys. Today we're going to be experimenting with the rocket effect. Great effect because this requires an ascension where there should be no obstacles around you that you have to worry about, because the drone simply is going to go up in a rocket position. And this one I'm a fan of because you can do lying down. So let's say you're on the beach. So what you want to do is, just pop a squat and go into quick shots, right? And then once you sit that, you see the rocket on this. It's the second one on the left-hand side. Press it, okay? And of course, you're just gonna tap back. And of course, this would be me. Hopefully this will work. So I'll just get into position and press start. And hopefully it'll work its magic. See, look at that. So it goes to me, hovers over the subject, and you're like, hi, bye everyone, it's been a great summer, and we'll see you in the fall. Kind of neat effect, don't you think? It probably ascends about 70 feet or 100 feet, around there, and it just works its magic. And it only comes one way, and then it'll just come back down to its original position that it took off from, which is great. So it just needs a couple of feet and open space in the sky. And that's pretty much it. That is how you do the rocket effect. Anyway, I hope this video helped you and you can rocket over time with your Mini 3 Pro and experiment with this. And remember, you add these into a compilation of different experiences happening within a video that you add to your B-roll footage. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos, and I'll see you all next time.